Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me and Oreo in the garage. Now, today we're going to be putting in some insulation, but first thing I want to do is show you guys what I made out of scrap wood. Alright, back up, Oreo. We made a little cart for our rigid joint because it's getting too heavy to move around, so we built a cart out of scraps to save money. I know a lot of people like to watch the bigger YouTube channels. They go out and splurge and buy these fancy carts and stuff. When you don't have to do that, we're trying to make money, not spend money. So I'm going to show you a cheap, effective way to cut the cost, alright? So tune in for Israel Designs. Alright everyone, we're here, I'm at my table, so now I'm going to show you all my scraps, alright? So I'm just going to move this camera, angle it down. So you see all my scraps from previous projects, right? So what we're going to do is, let me adjust it again. We're going to take all these scraps, and we're going to make a stand for a porta cable bandsaw we have over here. Let me just show you real quick what I'm talking about. Right there, porta cable bandsaw. Let me fix that focus. Right there. So that's pretty heavy. I believe it's over 100 pounds, alright? So this right here is most likely going to be minimum cuts and stuff if it's your scraps. I already got my scraps prepared and stuff, alright? So let me show you what I got going. Alright. Alright guys, I'm back. So we have 6 pieces of scrap wood right here. Other scraps over there. Everything's already set up and ready to go. Have 4 caster wheels with locks up there. Alright. I got these off of Amazon Prime. You don't have to go to Amazon. You probably get some from Walmart or your local Harbor Freight. Alright. So this I already got it laid out. Can you see it? No, I'm gonna adjust it so you see what I got going on here. Put this camera down some. Alright, so like I said, for you it'll probably be minimum cuts because you're using scrap woods and stuff. Alright, but no matter what, you're still saving money. You probably got screws on hand, alright? So it's nice and simple. 2 boards right here. These 2 right here. Nice and simple. We're not trying to be fancy and stuff. We're trying to be cost effective and still let it be functional. Alright, so I'm putting the first screw now. Please make sure it's flush. And the second one, you have to make sure it's flush. Alright, nice and flush. Yeah. Alright. The first board I'm putting in 4 screws, 2 on each end. The second one, I'll put a screw in the middle on both sides, so that's 2 screws. It'll be plenty of stable. Plenty of stable. Now we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. Get it lined up. There we go. This is probably about a 10 to 15 minute project, alright? It'll save you at least $100 just by using your scraps. Wood split, it's okay, it's okay. Now I put 2 more screws in and we're almost done. Alright guys, now it's that simple. Now all we have to do is add on our casters and stuff. Alright, now the casters, for some reason they didn't come with washers, so I'm gonna do a quick show you around my shop because I believe I got extra washers in here, so we'll be right back. Alright everyone, I'm back. It's me and Oreo. So like I said, no washers came with the package. They were supposed to. It came with a screwdriver and stuff. And I didn't even see screws in the box. It's fine. Like I said, we're going to improvise. We're going to use scraps and stuff for previous projects. So I got these little guys right here. I also found 2 washers. So let's go. Let's see how it all works out. I'm going to flip this over. Solder I want. Get up nice and sturdy. Nice and sturdy. Alright. Wow, that's in there pretty good actually. Alright. I should change my name to the Junkyard Builder. Huh, telling you.
Junkyard Builder.
Junkyard Builder.
Junkyard Builder.
That's my guest in the background. He didn't want to be on camera.
That's right.
Alright, so now we're going to put this in there. Yeah, they're in there plenty of sturdy. So I'm gonna just do 2 screws. One over here, one over there. Yeah, that's in there sturdy as well.
That's what I was thinking too. If you want to diagonal across each other, so if you improvise like that, you could actually stabilize it.
Alright, last 2 screws are going in. We're gonna just, well, 4 more screws. You know, I like that name, the Junkyard Builder. That's pretty catchy. Junkyard Builder.
Junkyard Builder. Sound like the new version of Sanford song.
Put these straight in the corner.
You can say Sanford and Oreo.
Huh. Yeah. Yeah, it worked out pretty good. In that middle in the corner like that. And that's it. Stand is done. I'm gonna lock these wheels because now I have to put the bandsaw on top of it. Okay? See you in a sec. Alright, so here's the bandsaw. We're gonna pick it up and put it on the stand now. Alright? So this one right here.
Is it okay to grab it by here?
Yeah, should be. Thank you, sir. That feel good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Probably just straighten up just a little bit. Yeah, that looks good right there.
There we go. project done. 16 minutes and 37 seconds of filming, huh? So without the camera, setting the camera up, about 5 to 10 minutes, all right? So with that, everyone have a good day. I'll do an update video later on, all right? So see you next week. Mm-mm-mm.